Good morning. How are you? I am also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Are you Indian? Which part are you in India? Are you Indian? And which state do you belong to? Of course, definitely I know IJ Indian. And Banarasi is a famous place in India and people they know Varanasi. And I think Varanasi sari also famous, right? Right, right. Then I think all Indian know about Banarasi, right? Then what do you do? Are you a student or are you wow? Then you are doing learning and earning simultaneously, right? Right. Yeah, yeah, you are right. Because you okay, which department have you completed your graduation? What's your branch name? Okay, are you working in your state or are you working in different state within India? Okay, you are working there also, but you tell, are you doing your regular class or do you do your BTech in distance education? Hmm. Okay, then how did you get that job? Did you get that job through campus selection or did you appear any interview? Yeah, but right now you are working in Noida. Of course, I know about technical field because who complete their diploma, they get lateral entry. Yeah, they are getting in admission in lateral entry in. I think, are you cooking right now? Are you cooking? I heard that pressure cooker sound. It's okay. It's okay. Only just I asked you. I can hear you clearly, completely. Okay, how many friends do you stay? Okay, three friends in stay there, right? And all are working together. Do you work together? Same company? Okay, their branch also in different. Then definitely they work also in different department, right? And work different. Then definitely you work in different department, right? Then they are also doing BTech or you only doing BTech? Okay, that's good. How long have you been working in there? Then, if you get a chance, then in future after completing, you want to change your profession, right? How long have you been using this platform? How long have you been using this platform? How long have you been using this? Okay, I got your point because you are not a regular user. If you get time, then you use, otherwise, you don't use this platform, right? Then, do you talk with anyone in English inside office? Do you talk with your colleagues, your boss? Do you? Okay, I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. I have completed my graduation. I don't do anything. I'm a language learner. Okay, you